With BizInsight by BizNet software, reporting and analytics for project accounting becomes a breeze. Financial reports, such as this quarterly trended income statement, can be updated with just the click of a mouse. Do you need to make this an annual report? Not a problem. Within seconds, I've gone from 3 months to 12 months with nothing more than a few clicks of my mouse. True dynamic reporting means that even though I've changed the format of the report, I can still update it by simply changing a parameter. With BizInsight's drill down functionality, getting the data behind the data is just a mouse click away as well. I can simply right click on a number and use the in-cell pop-up menu to open a table. And just like that, I have a list of the records from my database that make up that value. BizInsight's drill down function makes analytics a snap as well. Instead of selecting a table, I can open a pivot table in a new tab. Notice that my data is already loaded up and ready to go. I can configure my pivot table any way that I choose as well. By simply going and adding or subtracting the fields that I want to use, I can reconfigure the report so that it looks exactly the way that I want. And I can still see the rows behind these numbers by simply double-clicking it. So I can easily get to a list from my pivot table as well. So as you can see, with BizInsight, reporting and analytics for project accounting really does become a breeze.